So hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for choosing to click on today's video. You guys are amazing and I appreciate every single one of you that chooses to spend just a few days or just a few minutes of your day with me. Like, that means the world. Today, can you tell I've kind of decided to start my intro without a ring light? Let me know if you prefer this or if you prefer the ring light. I don't know, I'm confused. I mean, I like this, it's more natural. However, let me know what you think. So I hope everyone is well. Today's video is kind of exciting to me and hopefully for you guys, and I hope it's really helpful too. It's actually based on accessories. And the reason why I decided to make this video today is because I was having a conversation with somebody, and we were talking about, like, I was telling them about the different, like, I was complimenting their necklace because it was amazing. Like, they had recently purchased like the Christian Dior necklace, and it's the first time that I'd seen it in real life, and it's so gold, like, it's beautiful. So I was kind of telling them, and I had my brooch on that day, and they were like, oh yeah, I like the brooch idea. And I was like, yeah, accessories, they just make such a difference to an outfit. So then I came home and I was like, wait a minute, that's going to be like a really good video to make, to talk about different accessories that kind of elevate and lift any outfit. Because like 9 times out of 10 we can't really be walking around, can we, with like our bags, especially if you work, let's say, a normal 9 to 5 job. Sometimes it's just not the place to have like a designer bag with you. However, having a designer accessory that can elevate your outfit, to me, I feel is more feasible and more acceptable to have, because you don't want to kind of come across as like you're showing off, because you're not. I never am. Obviously, I've worked really hard all my life, so it's something that I enjoy now purchasing. However, a great idea for a video, and here we are. Today's video is based on accessories. I'm going to give you guys like 5 different accessory pieces. I've limited it to 5 for now. However, I think I probably will maybe do an updated version on this video later on, not right now, on different items that I feel like also can help to elevate and lift any outfit. So without further ado, let's get started. If you are brand new, and you do end up enjoying the content, please do consider subscribing, liking, sharing, and even leave me a comment to let me know that you guys have joined, because that would mean the world to me. So without further ado, let's get started with today's video. However, I just need to tell you guys this. So I have actually just finished filming this video. If you see the lighting change because we've got rain outside, you will know why. It's because I've turned on the ring light to make sure that you guys can see the products clearly. So if you feel like the lighting's changed, however, do let me know. Do you prefer this light or do you prefer the ring light? I don't know. I think I'm liking this light too. Like, it's more natural, isn't it? Surprising. Okay, anyways, let's get into today's video. Yay! I will be reviewing like 5 personal favorite accessories that I use quite a lot. Also, I will be unboxing a new accessory that I've purchased. However, this accessory isn't really something that I've worn yet, so it's still brand new, guys. So I've taken it out the box. However, it's still brand new because I've not worn it yet, which I plan to. But however, there's a story to that. So without further ado, we're going to start with the reveal first. You can tell it's been so long since I've filmed a video now because I'm so out of practice. But anyway, so what we're going to do is we're going to start with the reveal first. Then I'm actually going to talk through some of the accessories that I feel that I've used so much and I didn't realize I was going to get that much use out of, that I've actually used more than I've actually used my bags, if that makes sense. So, and like I said to you guys, with this actual reveal, it was something that, it's a long story, guys. Okay, let me tell you the story. So the story time begins like this. So obviously I ordered something from Farfetch, which was great. However, during the week, there's not anybody in the house to sign for any delivery. What I thought was, because the item's quite small, I thought they could deliver it through the letterbox. So in my delivery instructions, I wrote, well, can you post through the letterbox at etc with my address? So I really specified on through the letterbox, nowhere else, at this address. However, the courier then decided to send an email when I finished work to say that my parcel has been delivered. Came home to check, obviously it had not been delivered, neither was there a card. Contacted Farfetch. The lady on the phone was like, okay, well, they said they have delivered it. I said, well, the picture in the email is completely different to my front door. Our front door is a completely different color to that front door. Then I had to send her pictures of my front door, and then she's like, okay, we're going to look into this. A week passed by, I didn't actually hear anything. Then I had an email from another person there saying that they are not liable, the courier or Farfetch are not liable, because I gave them a delivery option of how to deliver the item. However, then I called back because I was a little bit angry, and I'm assuming you guys will be angry too. And I was like, look, number one, the delivery date was incorrect. Number two, there was no card left for me to know where my item was delivered. Number three, I gave instructions. I told you guys to post it through the letterbox and the letterbox only. So then the lady was, and I said number four, on the text message when you guys said it was meant to come on the Wednesday, but it was meant to arrive on the Thursday. However, you guys delivered it on Thursday. However, it was delivered on the Wednesday. So many, nothing was adding up. How can you guys not be liable for you guys losing my package? Then she said to me, well, from our evidence it says it's been delivered, which has been delivered to my neighbor's house. Mind you, a week's gone by, guys, like a whole week. And I'm like, well, how am I meant to know that it's at my neighbour's when there's not a card been left? Do you not think that I would have gone to my neighbour's if I had known that you had delivered it to my neighbour's? So it just made me like, so then I went to the neighbours and I wrote a letter because she wasn't at home. She came back, she returned the note, and she said, well, when I'm free at the weekend, I will have a look. So mind you, I've had to wait 10 days for the courier because the courier did not have the time or the competence, what's the word, didn't have, like, you know, the didn't have, like, what's the word, guys, you know, when like someone thorough enough or didn't have the energy to write a card to say, hey, just to let you know I've delivered your parcel at your neighbour's. Because how does he or she know that? What if I don't even speak to the neighbours, which we kind of don't because she's always at work at different hours. She works as a nurse, so her scheduling is completely different to mine. So it was just upsetting. I'm glad that I've got the parcel and I'm happy with the parcel, but I just needed to share a story time with you guys because it was the first time that I've ever experienced like this kind of nonsense. And if you're asking me, would I shop at Farfetch again? Yeah, I would, because I mean, I've shopped with them for ages now, and also I've never had this issue, so it was like a one-off, but I was just shocked. So now I understand when I hear other people's stories about couriers and everything else. So without further ado, enough of my story time, let's get started with today's video, which is a reveal. So in the box, Farfetch box, obviously, because you know Farfetch, they deliver from all around the world, and it's not always Saint Laurent. It could have been a concession, a boutique where Saint Laurent may have sold their products to Saint Laurent may have sold their stock to another store. So it arrived in a black bag like this. When I look at this black bag, I think it reminds me of like Browns. I feel like it's come from Browns. Inside there, I also received the YSL dust bag, which was nice. Like I said, I have opened the item because after that palaver, I just needed to know whether everything was okay. So the belt actually came up wrapped like this. Next, I got obviously the receipts and everything else. So I've got my authenticity card, which I've not opened yet, in there, and obviously the barcode and code number, but I'm going to link this, guys, anyways, for you guys at the bottom. But the belt, it's a belt, as you know. Yeah, it just says YSO Cintura. I'm not sure, guys, so I'll link the belt below for you guys. And then here she is. So it's the beautiful YSL belt. So I went with the mini belt instead this time, with the YSL logo. Now, as you guys know, I am absolutely obsessed with YSL, and I just love the branding, the logo, everything is just stunning. It's just leather, plain leather. Like I said, I've still left the tag on, which I probably will be taking off. You've got the YSL, it's like an antique gold, not really shiny, which will perfectly match my Lulu. It's got the Saint Laurent sign at the back. You've also actually got a code number here as well. There. So my first accessory that I would definitely recommend is the belt. A belt. I feel like it's something that you can wear pretty much every single day. It's very dressy. It's something that can be worn with jeans. It's something that can be worn with on top of a blazer. Can you imagine how nice this is going to look on top of a black blazer cinched in? The only reason why I purchased this, and this is 2 years from my first purchase, the reason why I was inspired to purchase this was because, do you guys remember 2 years ago I actually made a video, which I will link below as well, on my first Gucci unboxing, which was the Gucci belt, and I've never looked back. So I ordered my Gucci belt, which about 2 years ago now. I'll link the video. And I've had this for 2 years and I've worn it a lot. Like literally, I aim to kind of wear it like at least once or twice because I figured why not. But this belt has been so useful in my wardrobe. I just feel like you pop it on and it just elevates any outfit. And I figured I like the fact that it's not the garish, you know, like the huge Gucci belt. It's a small one, it's petite, so it's not kind of like in your face. I like the fact that it's extremely shiny because I like shiny things. However, I just feel like this, I've gotten so much use out of the Gucci belt that because I own a lot of YSL anyways, I feel like it would be the perfect addition to my accessories wardrobe. So I would definitely recommend purchasing a belt. I feel like you'll get so much cost per wear. I feel like I've got these belts now. I'll probably, the next investment, which won't be right now, will probably be like maybe a different color, but that's in the future. But for now, I'm happy with belts. So I would recommend, if you have been on the fence about purchasing a belt accessory, I feel like they just elevate and lift any outfit. So accessory number 1. My second accessory will definitely be a headscarf, guys. So these are the Bando. So as you know, I made a video on this, the Louis Vuitton Bando, which I purchased has it been about 2 years now? Probably. And I feel like this is just something that for summer, for any kind of occasion, if you want to kind of just change up your outfit for a summer look, for an everyday look, for more of a dressed up look. You can also actually wear this as a belt as well, but I feel like having a Bando, a designer Bando, can just elevate any outfit. I think the next one that I probably will purchase will probably be the Dior one. I have been looking at that, but I've been umming and ahhing because I had other things on my wish list that I've been prioritizing. A lot of use out of this. Even if you're not using it, guys, what you can do is you can also put it on your bag, so it kind of decorates any purse. So I would highly recommend as an accessory to purchase to update any outfit, definitely a Bando, a designer Bando. Number one, they're quite cost effective as well, so they don't cost a lot. Secondly, well, they do, but they don't, but you'll get a lot of cost per wear out of them as well. So I would highly recommend as an accessory, as to something to update your outfit, a designer Bando. Something else that I've been getting a lot of wear out of you purchase, but however, I already feel like I've made the right choice with this purchase and I'll probably invest in another one, not right now, later on in life. However, I'm obsessed with it, and that's the YSL Brooch. I feel like with the brooch you have so many different options. You can do so much with it as well. You can literally pop it on your blazer like I do. You can literally put it on your hat if you have one. You can put it on your coat. You can put it on anywhere, and I feel like it just elevates any outfit. So if it's a brooch that you have been thinking about purchasing, I would definitely recommend a brooch, because I just feel like it just elevates any outfit. Like if you're wearing a basic outfit, you just pop a little bit of something on it like the brooch, it just elevates it and gives it more. Three that I feel like everyone should invest in is sunglasses. I just feel like they add to any outfit. You can be wearing like the most basic outfit, however it will update. So for example, now I purchased these about 3 years ago, and these are my Celine sunglasses. I don't even know if people wear these anymore. However, I've seen a lot of people wearing a similar sort of style. So do you guys remember these when these first came out? So these are, I don't even remember the name, but these are the Celine. I would say they're more of an aviator style, but look guys, oh yeah, I want to ask your opinion. Do you think I should keep these or should I sell these? I'm not sure. I haven't really worn them, but I've seen similar people wearing these now. This recent purchase was these are my gorgeous Gucci butterfly sunglasses, which I'm still obsessed with. I wear them as much as I possibly can, even to work. Also obsessed with these, thinking of perhaps purchasing more of an expensive pair. Sick Gucci sunglasses. I think most people probably own these. These are the ones with the GG on the side, hugely oversized. I have actually recently purchased, remember I got the Versace ones, but then I was kind of over the idea. I have recently placed an order for a new pair of sunglasses from McQueen. However, we'll see what they look like when they arrive. I've also got the Gucci Superstar glasses. And the list goes on. So I would definitely recommend investing in a pair of good sunglasses, because I feel like if you're wearing like the basic outfit and you just pop on a pair of sunglasses, it just gives you like instantly a more elevated look. Any outfit. And my final accessory that I've been getting, well, I did get a lot of use out of this year already since I've had it, is my Gucci scarf. Now this is the large monogram scarf, the large logo scarf. However, I have worn this, guys, so much. Like, literally, she's my best friend. I just feel like this is such a unique piece to have. You know, I've got this small pink Gucci scarf. However, with this, I've just worn it so much. Number one, because I do love the large logos. However, that's just me. I embrace the logo. However, I just feel like you can wear this in so many ways. You can wear it like as a scarf. You can also wear a scarf. You can also wear a scarf as a skirt, like a shirt, sorry, where you can wrap it around your neck and literally you can tie a belt and it becomes like a whole new outfit. So scarves are a way of updating any accessory, whether it be a basic outfit, whether it be a basic coat. It just adds a bit of a luxury to your outfit. So that was my final accessory pieces today. However, I have ordered another accessory piece which I kind of wanted to talk about, but I don't actually have it yet and I haven't had a chance to review it in order for me to say whether you'd get a lot of use out. But as far as the sunglasses, the Bando, the belts, the scarf, the brooch, I feel like all these items are key pieces in anyone's wardrobe. Like, example, if you, perhaps some people don't always have the money to purchase a bag, but you still kind of want to bring a little bit of luxury to your outfit, I would highly recommend investing in like a piece of like accessories, because I just feel like it gives your look a completely different look. So I hope that's been helpful to anyone out there. What I'm going to do is I'm actually going to link all these different items on the description box below for you guys, and I hope you have enjoyed today's video. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to leave them below in the comment box, because that would be like amazing, because I love talking to you guys. So till next time, take care and thank you, bye. And currently I'm going to be filming my next video, so stay tuned for my next video as well. So till then, take care, thank you, bye. Oh yeah, don't forget to like, share, subscribe and hit the like button, because that would mean the world to me. So thank you. And also I'm going to be filming my next video now. So see you in the next one.